Hey there, sports enthusiasts and sneakerheads! Ever wondered how Nike became a global giant in athletic wear? In today's video, we'll be diving into the incredible journey of Phil Knight and how he built the Nike empire. So grab your Air Jordans and let's get started. Phil Knight's early life and vision. Phil Knight, the visionary behind Nike, was born in Portland, Oregon in 1938. As a young man, he was an avid runner and a dedicated athlete, which eventually led him to study at the University of Oregon. It was during his time there, under the mentorship of his track coach, Bill Bowerman, that Phil started to dream about creating better running shoes. This passion for innovation would later become the cornerstone of Nike's success. Blue Ribbon Sports, the humble beginnings. After completing his MBA at Stanford, Phil took a leap of faith and started Blue Ribbon Sports in 1964. He partnered with his former coach, Bill Bowerman, and together they began importing Japanese running shoes from Onitsuka Tiger, now ASICS. With just $1,200 to their names, Phil and Bill sold these shoes out of the trunk of Phil's car at track meets. Little did they know that their small venture would soon transform into a billion-dollar brand. The birth of Nike and the iconic swoosh. In 1971, Blue Ribbon Sports went through a significant rebranding, as Phil and Bill sought to create their line of athletic shoes. They changed the company's name to Nike, after the Greek goddess of victory, and hired a graphic design student named Carolyn Davidson to create their iconic logo. For just $35, Davidson designed the famous Nike swoosh, a symbol that would become synonymous with athletic achievement worldwide, the waffle trainer, and innovation. Nike's breakthrough moment came in 1974 when Bill Bowerman, inspired by the grooves on his wife's waffle iron, created a shoe with a sole made of waffle-patterned rubber. This new design, dubbed the waffle trainer, provided superior traction and quickly gained popularity among runners. This innovative spirit would become a hallmark of the company, as Nike continued to push the boundaries of athletic footwear. Marketing genius and celebrity endorsements. Nike's meteoric rise wasn't solely based on innovative products. The company also revolutionized sports marketing, using celebrity endorsements and high-profile collaborations to build its brand. In 1984, Nike signed a young basketball player named Michael Jordan and launched the Air Jordan line, which became a cultural phenomenon. This bold marketing move set the stage for future partnerships with stars like LeBron James, Serena Williams, and Cristiano Ronaldo, solidifying Nike's status as a global powerhouse. The expansion into apparel and equipment. Nike didn't stop at shoes. In the 1980s and 1990s, the company expanded its product lineup to include athletic apparel, sports equipment, and even eyewear. With the launch of the Just Do It campaign in 1988, Nike successfully positioned itself as a lifestyle brand. By the late 1990s, Nike had become the dominant force in the sports industry, thanks to its innovative products and aggressive marketing strategies. Challenges and controversies. Nike's journey to success wasn't without its challenges. The company faced backlash over labor practices and working conditions in its overseas factories during the 1990s. These controversies prompted Nike to take a hard look at its supply chain and implement significant changes to improve worker conditions and environmental standards. By tackling these issues head-on, Nike demonstrated its commitment to corporate responsibility and emerged as a more ethically conscious brand. Today, Nike continues to prioritize sustainability and social responsibility, striving to create a positive impact on the planet and the communities it serves. Nike today, a global empire. Fast forward to today, and Nike is a global empire, boasting a market cap of over $200 billion. From its innovative products to its memorable ad campaigns, Nike has solidified its position as a leader in the world of sports and fashion. The company remains dedicated to its founding principles of innovation and excellence, constantly reinventing itself and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in athletic wear. And there you have it, the remarkable story of Phil Knight and the evolution of Nike from a small shoe distributor to a global powerhouse. It's a tale of perseverance, innovation, and an unrelenting pursuit of greatness. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Nike. And now we want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments below which Nike product is your all-time favorite. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible stories like this one. Thanks for watching, and remember, just do it.